साल से लेकर के यहाँ तक भी अखाद्य कुखाद्य है, मदिरा से सब कुछ तुमको खाना पड़ेगा। तो उसमें अग्नि देवता भयभीत हो गया। अग्नि देवता बोले हमारा शुद्धि कैसे होगा? कृष्ण के हाथ में बंसी नहीं है।
So you can see Krishna doesn't have his flute on his hand here. You see how is this data of Krishna? Looks like Krishna in the time of wedding.
देखो वो हाथ पर रखा है ना, देखो जैसे
Krishna is having his hands up. His hand is up.
यहाँ पर राधा कृष्ण के कैसे विग्रह है, जैसे स्वयं कृष्ण जो है विवाह के समय राधा जी के मांग भरा रहे हैं। देखो वो हाथ पर रखा है ना, देखो जैसे विवाह के समय मांग भराते हैं, सिंदूर देते हैं।
Just like, Krishna's hand here is up. Just like in the time of wedding ceremony, the bride puts the sindur in the bride. The bridegroom, the groom puts the sindur in the bride's forehead. So the pati, the husband, only puts sindur once. Like in the time of wedding ceremony, he applies the sindur to the wife, to the bride. The groom applies the sindur to the wife. But the wife later, again and again, she'll put sindur, right? So we say like this: wife gives many times the sindur, like she applies many times, but the husband only once. Because the husband, in the time of the fire sacrifice, the wedding, the groom, once he puts the sindur, he applies the sindur at the forehead of the, the forehead of like the base of the hair of the bride. But then again later, the wife, she will apply the sindur, during her life. So that's why we have this saying this.
तीसरी लीला स्टार्ट देखो, घनघोर मुझे बनता मुझे का जन्म था। कृष्ण भगवान गायों को मुंह बना में चला रहे तो रात को आग लगा दी, गाय जने बचने जाना है। अब कृष्ण भगवान ने अपने मुख से अग्निपान आग को पिया है, जिसको दामा से पानी भी जाके अग्निपान किया। जो लीला स्टार्ट में देखो, दुर्वासा ऋषि का विग्रह विराजमान है, रूप धारण करके कृष्ण के सुंदर कलशों में जमीन से और मेरे साथ भी रहिए आप लोग।
मंदिर बन की जय। Here is Krishna is doing Leela. This is Brahma Vimohan Leela.
So stay with me. So you can stay with me like live online, and you can have the darshan of all the Vraj Parikrama. You see how Brahmaji, he's making the wedding ceremony of Radha and Krishna. Brahmaji himself, he's making the fire sacrifice wedding of Radha and Krishna. And you see Krishna's hand is up. Like it's a little bit lifted. Shrimati Radhika hands also. And how Krishna is also applying the sindur on her forehead. This darshan, special darshan, you can only have this darshan in Bandirban, nowhere else. So stay with me and continue having the darshan with me. You see, also another lila of Bandirbat, how Radha and Krishna, they are wrestling. You can see? Beautiful pastime. So in 1 second, Shrimati Radhika could just put Krishna, like how do you say, like knock out Krishna. And then the Sakhis, they were clapping. So Krishna fell on the ground because Shrimati Radhika just threw him on the ground. And Shrimati Radhika was laying on his chest, holding him. Also, you cannot see this anywhere else. Only in Bandirban you can see. How beautiful.
सखाओ नहीं नहीं हमारे सखा
But Krishna told to his friends,
कृष्ण के तुमने हारा नहीं
no, no, the friends of Krishna also, they were saying, no, no, you did not defeat our friends. No, no, you didn't defeat him.
बोले क्यों बोले देखो
Why?
कृष्ण जमीन पर लेटे हुए हैं उनके नाक ऊपर है
Krishna is laying on the ground, this is true, but his nose is up. His nose is up, you know.
कहते हैं ना जिसको नाक चला जाता है उसके दुल्हा को मनाया जाता है उसके
नाक कट गया
उसके नाक कट जाता है कहते हैं इसलिए सदा लोग कहने लगे देखो कृष्ण के हमारे नाक
So the Saka said,
बोले क्यों बोले देखो कृष्ण जमीन पर लेटे हुए हैं उनके नाक ऊपर है कहते हैं ना जिसको नाक चला जाता है उसके दुल्हा को मनाया जाता है उसके
because people say like if your nose is gone, then you're like unfortunate or like this.
नाक कट गया
उसके नाक कट जाता है कहते हैं इसलिए सदा लोग कहने लगे
Like if you cut your nose or something, this is inauspicious. So,
कृष्ण के हमारे नाक ऊपर है बालाजी के नाक नीचे है
so that's why friends of Krishna are saying, no, who is, look, Krishna's nose is up, but Krishna, Shrimati Radhika's nose is down, like facing down, downwards. So Krishna trying to cheat, win by cheating.
देखो आदमी है पर सखियां कैसे सुंदर लीला आदि करती
So you see the Saki is doing beautiful pastimes.
ये जय है ये देखो यहाँ पर भोजन आदि करते जा रहे हैं
Light,
बहुत
light,
पूजा
light,
के साथ है
Also, you see, they're eating here in this picture, Bhojan Lila.
यहाँ पर जो है भोजन लीला आदि होती है
Also, Bhojan Lila, when they're eating, this Lila of eating also takes place here.
काम के बातें तुम्हारे पास क्या चीज है उस समय श्री राम बातें देखो मेरे भाई
Sometimes Krishna asks his friends, "Whoa, what do you bring? What did you bring? What do you have?" And then Sridham will say,
ने आप सुंदर है रसगुल्ला भी
"Oh, today my mother sent a beautiful rasgulla,
बोले हमें तो खराब खिलाओ
delicious."
ठीक है कन्हैया
Krishna says, "Okay, give me two. I wanna eat."
काम करो तो आंख बंद कर
And then the friend will say, "Close your eyes, then I'll feed you." Krishna closes his eyes
फाड़ करके
and opens his mouth like this.
लगे और उसके मिठाई के दिन बोले तब सारे मिठाई को सब सुबह सखा जितने भी सखा सब लोग खा
And then all the Subal all the friends, they very quickly they eat all the sweets,
और कृष्ण के मुख में एक फूल
and they just put one flower in the mouth of Krishna.
आप मुख जो आप
When Krishna opens his eyes, he sees there's only one flower in his mouth, inside his mouth.
इतना अभिष्ट है तो बोले उसको कहाँ है मैं उसको मार डालूंगा
And then the friend said, "Oh, there was a demon that came," and Krishna becomes absorbed. "Oh, demon here! Where is he? I want to kill him."
तब उस तरह सखा लोग गले उसको
Then the friends say,
है हमारे
"Oh no, actually this demon who came, actually, tell me the name of this demon."
बुकासुर
लोभा
The demon who came was Lobhasur, means the demon of the greed. Where is he hidden? In our bellies, in our stomachs.
हम लोग अपने आप यही पर ईश्वर अनेक
So we ate all the sweets. So many leelas. So this is a place of all these leelas, place of sakas. You can see also the story of Durvasa Leela, Durvasa Rishi also you heard.
गए थे ये वृंदावन से गोपियां आकर के
The gopis came to Durvasa and also fed him. Also you heard this leela.
मुंजा अटल में कंस के दूध जो है
So also the
चारी तरफ से
some messenger of Kamsa, he spread fire everywhere.
कृष्ण उस समय दिया कि सखाओं के बोले देखो
Krishna told to his friends, "Close your eyes." You can see the friends are having their eyes closed, eyes shut here.
आप बंद करके क्योंकि कृष्ण इसलिए आँख बंद करके रखे हैं कृष्ण एक बार माँ जसोदा की जो है
Krishna told his friends to shut their eyes. Why? Because once Krishna was with Mother Jashoda
उसने मिट्टी के भोजन किया
and Krishna ate some mud.
माँ जसोदा विचार कर हमारे गोपाल को ना कोई भूत सवार हो गया
And then when Mother Jashoda saw inside the mouth of Krishna, like all the universes, she thought, "Oh, my son Gopal must be possessed by some ghost or something."
गोपाल ने कृष्ण ने किया कि सब सखा को बोले
So that's why Krishna told to his friends, "Just shut your eyes."
कृष्ण ने किया कि वो आप
And then Krishna, he,
अपने मुंह के साथ
look, he drank, like not drank, he did like this. He absorbed, how do you say? Krishna, he took all the fire inside his mouth. He sipped, like he aspirated all the fire inside his mouth. You can see the picture.
ले लिया है ये सबसे लीला है क्यों ये इसमें दो लीला है मैंने कहा था
So two leelas I told.
क्यों दावानल को पान किया
So Krishna drank the fire of the forest, Davanal.
अभी यहाँ पर स्तंभ पर है जिस कथा मैंने आप लोग को सुनाया था।
So I already told you this story that once
और ऋषि मुनि लोग जो है
the rishis and munis,
अपनी यज्ञ आदि कर रहे थे, हवन आदि कर रहे थे।
they were doing fire sacrifice.
पूर्णाहुति के समय
In the time of the Purnahati,
मुनि पत्नियां जो है
you know, the wives of the munis,
देने लगे।
they were here and they were doing the Purnahati, like they were about to end the fire sacrifice.
पत्नियों के सुंदर रूप सुंदर जो माधुर्य देख करके
Seeing the beautiful form of the wives of the rishis, the Agni Devata, the fire sacrifice, became absorbed in lust. And with his flames, with its flames, the fire god,
मुनि पत्नियों के तरफ चलने लगी।
he went towards the wife of the rishis, wife of the munis. So these wives, what happened? Their husbands, they were trikalagya, like the husbands of these ladies. They knew past, present, and future. So they thought, oh, this fire is such a lusty person. So they gave a curse to the demigod of fire and told him, you will become Sarvabhuk. Sarvabhuk means you eat everything. You'll have to eat everything. Even like you have to eat even like a stool, you know, even like urine, everything. Things which are like food stuff, or even things which are not meant for eating. Alcohol, all the kinds of things you'll eat. So the demigod of fire became so much, he became afraid. He said, oh, how will I be purified? Otherwise nobody will also worship me if I'm eating all the kinds of things. Then the rishis told. Then the demigod of fire did so many prayers to the rishis, and then the rishis became pleased, and then they gave a blessing to. They later told to the fire god. Okay, in Dwapara Yuga, Krishna will come, and Krishna will make you remnant. Like Krishna will eat you, and then Krishna will like vomit you, saying like he will expel you from his body. Then you become Krishna's remnants. Then you'll be purified. That's why Shastra says that the fire, although he eats everything, the fire is always pure, always. Because so the fire is the remnants of Krishna. Our Pandaji here is also so simple. So Gurudev used to come here. Also, they used to give like this person used to give like a roti, chapati to us, and so many things. What can I say? That you may achieve devotion to Srimati Radhika. That you may achieve devotion to the feet of Srimati Radhika.
अरे फोन संभाल के
कृष्ण ने क्या कि अपने बहुत बढ़िया यहाँ पर ये रासस्थली है.
So here is also Rasa Stali, place of rasa. So the place here also there is a well called Venu Kup. Why? Gurudev used to say there was a demon here. It was a demon in the form of a calf. And then after killing this demon, Gopis told Krishna, how will you be purified now? And then Krishna with his flute, Krishna digged this well, and then all the water of all the tirthas came. And then Krishna took a bath here. Also another story is also that Rasa Leela also took place here. During the day, Krishna used to graze the cows, and during the night, Krishna used to play the flute and call all the gopis here, and they used to do Rasa Leela. And then the gopis were feeling thirsty, and they told, Kanhaiya, we are dancing, we are tired. We played the flute, and we started dancing.
पावन तेरी नम्र सगी
पावन
पावन
वृंदावन।
ये वृंदावन पावन है, पवित्र है।
This Vrindavan is so pure.
तो करने पानी कहाँ मिले?
So the gopis were asking Krishna,
बड़ी समस्या क्या है?
where
मीठा पानी की समस्या।
can we get the water? Because in Vraja the
जो
biggest,
पानी जो है ब्रज में ये विशेष वैशिष्ट्य कहा जाता है। तब कृष्ण ने किया
because in Vraja a big problem always is how to get sweet water.
कि अपने वेणु के द्वारा ये कूप के खनन कर दिया।
Like how to say sweet water in English? Like sweet water, like drinkable water, saying let's say like that. So Krishna with his flute,
सारे गोपियाँ यहाँ पर पानी पी।
he also digs this well, and like this,
देखो आज ये ब्रज विकास ट्रस्ट द्वारा मंदिर को कैसे दाऊजी महाराज
all the gopis they drank water. So
मासूम पर लीलाधीश दर्व आप लोगों ने श्रवण किया।
आपका नाइट मोड है ना?
यहाँ पर प्रलम्भा के भी बलदेव यहाँ पर पानी पी। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की
जय।
देखो आज ये ब्रज विकास ट्रस्ट पावन है, पवित्र है। और कृष्ण करने पानी कहाँ मिले? ब्रज के सबसे बड़ी समस्या क्या है? मीठा पानी की समस्या है। पीने के जो पानी जो है ब्रज में ये विशेष वैशिष्ट्य कहा जाता है। तब कृष्ण ने किया कि अपने वेणु के
so to get fresh water
कर दिया और पानी कला के सारे गोपियाँ
and drinkable water in Vraja is very difficult. So then Krishna also dig this
देखो आज ये ब्रज विकास ट्रस्ट द्वारा मंदिर को कैसे दाऊजी महाराज
this well for the gopis,
लीलाधीश दर्व आप लोगों ने श्रवण
and also this some also gopis they drank the water from this Venu Koop, and also you see that the institution of Vraja, one kind of institution is also taking care, and you see that temple is taken care by this institution, and
किया।
नाइट मोड है ना?
यहाँ पर प्रलम्भा
also here Baladev Prabhu killed the demon Pralambhasur.
वेणु के द्वारा ये कूप के खनन कर दिया और पानी कला के सारे गोपियाँ यहाँ पर पानी पी। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की
जय।
देखो आज ये ब्रज विकास ट्रस्ट द्वारा मंदिर को कैसे दाऊजी महाराज की
So
प्रमाण
the temple of Dauji Maharaj, Baladev Prabhu, because
लीलाधीश दर्व
also that Leela happened here, also happened there. You listened how
बलदेव प्रभु ने
Baladev Prabhu killed Pralambhasur here. So if you come here,
अखिलेश प्रभु
such a beautiful place.
श्याम प्रभु एक मिनट।
I remember how I used to come here with Gurudev.
अब आएंगे ना, परसों आएंगे, फिर आपको बताएंगे। మన పరమాత్ముడికి अरे गर्व नहीं होता है क्या? गर्व नहीं होता है। ये बलदेव पूजा
So-
प्रलम्बारी कहा जाता है।
So this is the date of Baladeva Pralambhari.
मैंने प्रलम्बासुर के
Means
बहुत किया था।
he killed Pralambhasur. That's why his name Pralambhari.
प्रलम्बा अरी का है। प्रलम्बा के शत्रु। मैंने
Ari
प्रलम्बासुर
means the enemy of Pralambhasur, Pralambhari Baladev.
बहुत किया था इसलिए जो है ब्रज में कितने बलदेव है?
How many Baladevas in Braja are there? 6 Baladevas.
इसलिए जो है ये ब्रह्मादि कहा जाता है। बस है ये स्थान जो स्थान है हम लोग आए हैं।
So this is a divine place. We came here.
विद्वान ही है,
Our Pantaji is so scholar. He speaks Bhagavad Gita.
बहुत प्रेमिक है।
He has so much love. He's so much simple. He's a Vrajavasi. He doesn't ask anything. Whatever we give him, he becomes pleased. He's such a simple person, taking care of this deity.
मन में जब आते हैं प्रेम से जय गुरुदेव,
When he comes to our temple, he has so much love and affection also with Gurudev.
इसके मम्मी की भी जानते हैं।
We know his father, also his mother.
ये पता है ये मंदिर कुछ नहीं था, केवल यहाँ पर जो है एक छोटी रस्ता थी। इनकी मम्मी जो है वो क्या बोले सूखी लकड़ी के जो है जला करके और हाथ में जो है ऐसे बना करके एक गाड़ी है। हाँ
So his mother was like making simple chapatis, like very like in a very village way with like a dry wood, making fire and
हाथ मार हाँ बोलो हमारे गुरुदेव ने तो नाम करते मालूम है ये विधि बनाया। इसके बाद जो है कुछ भक्त लोग और बनाया गया। हम
so Shandaran Goswami Maharaj also helped renovating this place, and also later other devotees also helped.
हाँ बोलो वृंदावन वृंदावन बिहारी लाल श्री राम।
नहीं लाइट फ्लैश बंद करो।
तो दर्शन किया हुए घुमाए पर बलराम का
बोल रहे हैं कि 3 बलराम है, मतलब ये कथा
So there are 6 Balaramas, you told? Yes.
दाऊदी में बलराम
There's the Dauji Balaram. Here also Pralambhari Balaram.
और ये बलराम कहाँ है हम लोग जानते हैं उनके
राम का खींचो बलराम।
राम घाट में हम लोग गए थे।
Also another Balaram in Ramghat.
राम को दर्शन किया हुए घुमाए पर बलराम का हम लोग दर्शन किया। हम लोग पहले दिन ये गए थे मधुबन।
The first day also in Madhuvan.
उसने देखा कि कृष्ण कैसे बलदेव प्रभु कृष्ण के चिंतन करते करते
Also we saw Baladev Prabhu there because Baladev was so absorbed in Krishna that
कृष्ण वर्णन
his body became blackish.
मैंने क्या बोलते हैं इस रूप में देखेंगे काले रूप में दर्शन करें किंतु बलदेव की जो
In Vraja generally have the darshan of Baladev in a blackish form. But you know, generally in Vraja generally Baladeva he's white complexion, right? Generally he's white. Krishna is black, Baladeva is white, according to Shastra. But here in Vraja, in many places, you see black Baladeva because he was so absorbed in separation of Krishna.
कृष्ण की चिंतन करते करते कृष्ण के काले वर्ण के द्वारा काले रंग के द्वारा
So absorbed in Krishna, then whole body of Baladev became in blackish complexion. So in Vraja, wherever you go, generally you have the darshan of black Baladeva, blackish Baladeva. This is true because he was in separation of Krishna.
बंद हो जाएंगे
Vanshavata will close, so let's go.
3-4 मिनट
गुरुदेव के नाम कहाँ है भांडीर वन की लीला है ये सब लिखा है मथुरा है मथुरा वाले द्वारा वेदी को निर्माण किया गया
Because this place was renovated, was built, like this construction was built by Shilnarayan Goswami Maharaj. So they are searching his name in this saying.
गुरुदेव के नाम कहाँ है
What is the name of Gurudev there?
उसके विषय में श्री सुखदेव बताएंगे।
जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय। अरे ये पैसे प्रभु जी ये प्रणामी ले लेना है।
Ban means Prakash. And Vat means banyan tree. So under this tree, so many kinds of leelas of Radha and Krishna took place.
राधा कृष्ण है ना, माला डाल रहे हैं ब्रह्मचारी।
Oh, I should switch to the other video.
और कृष्ण कभी कभी बंसी बजा करके
So Krishna sometimes used to play the flute.
गले में जो माला जो है मोती को जो
So Krishna,
माला है उस मोती को माला का प्रकार इस वर्ग के पीछे के नीचे राधा
so many kinds of leelas of Radha Krishna took place here.
राधा कृष्ण है ना, माला डाल रहे हैं ब्रह्मचारी।
So Krishna here also used to play the flute and calling all the gopis here.
और कृष्ण कभी कभी बंसी बजा करके
Sometimes Krishna also was calling the flute and gathering the cows. So Krishna uses one kind of necklace, like or garland on his neck.
मोती को जो माला है
Krishna used one kind of pearl necklace on his neck.
तो माला को एक एक गायों के
And Krishna, with this pearl necklace,
गिनते थे कौन
he was calling,
गाय आई और नहीं गाय।
Krishna was calling all the cows and checking which cow came, which cow did not come.
ये क्या है गाय जो है कौन गाय नहीं आई?
So one cow didn't come. Shamali didn't come that time.
क्यों? ना कृष्ण माला जपते जपते उसके नाम भूल गए। उसके गायों की भी मान हो जाती
Because Krishna was chanting, singing all the names of the cows, like calling to them, and Krishna forgot to take the name of Shamali. So Shamali was so upset, sulky. Oh, he called everyone but not me. Why?
कृष्ण माला पुनः जप करने लगे, यार ये तो गाय रहेगी। तो फिर
Then Krishna, he checked and saw, oh, one cow is missing.
ये कहने लगे, क्या नाम?
श्यामली श्यामली
So Krishna started yelling, Shamali, Shamali, Shamali.
बस कितने नाम कृष्ण के मुखारविंद से ऐसे नाम सुनते
Listen to her name from the mouth of Krishna.
ऊपर उठा करके
Shamali, she came raising her two front legs
दो टांग के आगे करके दौड़ते
and
दौड़ते
running in the direction of Krishna. So she came near Krishna.
गले में लगाया है, और
So Krishna like embraced her, Shamali, and
तन से अपने आप प्रेम से जो है
because of the love, automatically milk came from her, starts coming out from her udder.
जो है दूध भरने लगे। बोलो राधा राधा। जय
अरे दूध निकालें, दूध निकाल। श्याम जय हो ब्रज राधा रानी की
जय वृंदावन। जब वो गाय दूध है कहीं पर कभी से पूरा
दे दो।
नहीं लेंगे,
नहीं लेंगे।
मुझे पता सब कुछ आ रहा है।